Hi, everybody. Happy Thursday. I'm back with another brand new book to share. And guess what? Little Blue Truck is back with a brand new adventure. And this book is Little Blue Truck, Lost and Found. It's written by Alice Schertle and it's published by HarperCollins. And we want to thank everybody for allowing us to share this book with you today. So, are you all ready to find out what Little Blue Truck is up to? Are you ready? Let's get started. Little Blue Truck, Lost and Found. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you ever heard. Little Blue Truck is out today with good friend Toad to load some hay. Do you see Toad loading hay? Have you ever seen anything like that? Toad tossed hay into Little Blue's bed. Beep! More hay, please, Little Blue said. 1 pile, 2 piles, 3 piles, 4. Toad piled hay and tossed up more. Beep, said Blue. At last we're done. Now for a hayride. Let's have fun. But where was Toad? Blue didn't know. Toad was gone. Where did he go? Little Blue Truck drove down the road. Beep, beep, beep. Where are you, Toad? Do you have any idea where Toad is? Any thoughts? Where'd he go? Blue said to Sheep, is Toad with you? Sheep said, bah, he's not here, Blue. I'll find him though, I know I can. I'll search the meadow. Off she ran. Ma, said Goat, Toad's up this hill. I'll find him there, I know I will. Honk, cried Goose, and Duck yelled quack. We'll check the pond. Be right back. Who do you think's going to find him first? Hen flapped wildly here and there. Cluck, I'll find him. Don't know where. Oink, said Pig, I'll search my pen. In he ran and out again. I'll take the cornfield, Blue, said Cow. Toad might be lost in there right now. Nay, gallop fast, of course. I'll find him soon, Blue, called Horse. Blue was worried. Where was Toad? Off he scurried down the road. He stopped at every road he crossed. Did Toad go this way? Was he lost? Blue said, Toad's not anywhere. I'll go back home. I hope he's there. Where is Toad? Where did he go? Blue hurried home back along the road, but when he got home, there was no Toad. All Blue's friends soon gathered round. Where is Toad? Has he been found? Nay, honk, ma, cluck, bah, quack. Is he here? Did Toad come back? Beep, said Blue, it's as I feared. My friend Toad has disappeared. Hen said, listen, cluck, cluck, cluck. This hay is snoring, Little Blue Truck. Does hay snore? Does it? What do you think? What do you think is happening right now? Good friend Toad poked up his head. What a lovely nap, he said. Croak, this is a comfy bed. All right, who thought Toad was in the hay? Did anyone think that? Well, if you did, you were correct. Had a nice nap while everyone was looking for him. Beep, laughed Blue. The joke's on me. Toad's right here, as I can see. He was with me all the way. Toad was sleeping in the hay. Cluck, said Hen. It's okay, Blue. All of us were worried too. You care for Toad. as good friends do. Toad, said Blue, please take the wheel. Time to hit the road, I feel. Time at last to have some fun. Care for a hayride? Anyone? They hunkered down in piles of hay. Beep, said Blue, we're on our way. Off they went down the road. Hayride time with Blue and Toad. Beep, beep, beep. The end. And there's Toad. So, what did you think about this story? Did you like it? Well, let me know when you come in to check out this book, or if you want one of the many other Little Blue Truck books, just ask us, we'll help you find them. I will be back next week with more brand new books to share. So until then, have a great weekend. Come in and visit me. Check out this book. Let me know if you've been on a hayride, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.